Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study English effectively, step by step. First, it's crucial to thoroughly understand your exam pattern and syllabus. This knowledge will guide your preparation. Next, divide your study time wisely across all sections, dedicating specific periods to each. Building a strong foundation in grammar is essential, so make it a priority. Finally, practice reading comprehension daily to enhance your speed and understanding. This structured approach will set you up for success. To master grammar and writing, dedicate at least 30 minutes every day to grammar exercises. Focus on understanding common rules and their exceptions, as this will significantly improve your accuracy. Regularly practice various writing formats, such as letters, articles, and essays, to develop your expression. Always review your written work carefully for any errors in grammar, spelling, or punctuation, ensuring clarity and coherence. Consistent practice is key to excelling in these areas. To efficiently extract copper, you'll need the right tools. A pickaxe is necessary to break the ore from the ground, yielding ore chunks. Then, a hammer is vital to smash these chunks into smaller, usable copper nuggets. When you find surface nuggets, dig straight down. This is often the quickest way to hit a larger vein. Your first copper pickaxe will be a significant upgrade, allowing you to mine stone and other materials much faster. For effective revision and exam preparation, consistently solve previous year's question papers. This practice helps you understand the exam pattern and common question types. Time yourself during these practice sessions to improve both your speed and accuracy under exam conditions. Create concise, easy-to-review notes for quick revision of important concepts and formulas. Finally, maintain a positive mindset and learn effective strategies to manage any exam stress, ensuring you perform your best.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.